Okay, so the second part of this is I said I was going to show you how to say if you want to take this value and also graph it with these values. Now, the easiest way to do this is just to take this, we're going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it. But notice when I paste it, I get this funny thing, right? Remember what I said in a previous video, when you do that, it's pasting the formulas, see? But it's thinking those are the two formulas, so it's saying, oh, there's nothing there, we can't do the calculation, right? That's not what you want to do. So there's two ways you can approach this. We can paste it in there, and you just delete all these, or sorry, you can just delete the first one, and you can use the equal sign here and just make it equal to that. Okay, so and then you just drag it down, and it should highlight each one like that. The advantage to that is if this number changes, say I change that to a 12, that number changes too, so you don't have to regraph everything. It's quite powerful that way. The other option, and I'll show you that now, so let's say I just want to take the average time. That's not going to change, probably. It could. But again, if I do Control V, they're numbers, so they don't really change. So that's fine. I copied those. The other option is I can just go up to Edit, I can paste Special, and I can just paste the value. So it's just going to take the numbers. If I do that, it doesn't take any of the formatting. Don't really care about the formatting in this case because we're just using this to graph. And then I would also need the standard deviation, so I'm just going to copy and paste that there also. Okay, so the advantage here is that now you've put these right next to each other. It makes it very easy to graph. Over here you kind of had this one, and sometimes students struggle with that. This is the easiest way to do it. This is how I do it. It's simple. So now we just go to Insert, Scatter Plot. I move that down here, and you can see I have that right where I need it. Right. So then I would go up to Add Element, add my data labels. Right. So primary axis, title, horizontal. So here would be average time of diffusion. Whoops, too many in seconds. Down here would be diameter of the cylinder. Oh no, sorry. Down here would be surface area to volume ratio. No real units here, so that's fine. And there we go. And then lastly, I would add error bar, so I'd highlight all those. I'd go to chart design. I insert more error bar options. I go down to custom, and I would specify these values again. Okay, just like I did before. Specify those values. I hit OK. I delete the vertical ones. We're done. Well, almost done. Then I would add a trend line, and that's definitely not the trend line this is not the trend line you're looking for. Exponential doesn't really work very well either. Maybe a power, slightly better, but it's not really going very far up. Logarithmic, nope. So then we can start playing with polynomials, but that doesn't work, right? That doesn't work, that doesn't work, that doesn't work. So at this point, we would just back up, and I would delete those. I'd go up to Insert Shapes, and I would pick this one, the curved line. And what you can do is you can make your own line of best fit. Oops. So there you go. So now I have a line of best fit. I don't have an equation or anything like that. Don't care. We have stats to do all that for us. But that's how you can make your own line of best fit if you can't find one that works as well as you would like it to. Oh, and don't forget to take away that, because that's going to go in the you're going to put the title in with your Google Doc. Okay? So I hope this is helpful and helps you design better graphs. Thank you.